All right. Daryl Willie, Insurance and Money podcast. In effect. Listen, question. Is your life insurance policy active? Of course it is. Well, Mr. Willie, I pay my premium every month. But are you sure? Is your life insurance policy active? Guys, this is a very important one, but I'm going to make it really short. But we got to stay on top of our paperwork, just like we need to stay on top of our numbers, right? So, getting into that, you need to take some time out to check your policy and contact your insurance provider so you can make sure you're on track with all the information and everything is still good to go. Why am I bringing this to your attention? Life insurance provides crucial financial protection for loved ones. Are we understanding what I'm saying? It's by World Day, right? Now, but what happens when the safety net has a hidden hole? Good question. Jackie Thompson, 43-year-old mother of two from Seattle. I love Seattle. I lived in Seattle. Shout out to Seattle. Faced with this devastating reality after her husband's unexpected passing, listen to this, in 2023. I thought we were covered. I thought we were protected. We had paid our premiums for years. Okay, listen to what she's saying. When she filed a claim, she discovered the policy had lapsed 6 months earlier due to an automatic payment issue, and they never received a notification. Now listen. Insurance companies are not in the business of saying, I'm sorry, my bad, my fault, and they don't go back in time. Even though she didn't get the notification, guess what? No policy. Because technically, for all intents and purposes, no policy. It's not in effect. When she filed a claim after her husband passed, she needed money. She needed help. This is why they put the policy in effect. But 6 months earlier, due to a payment issue, which they never got notification, the policy was terminated. So she had nothing when her husband passed. That is jacked up. Listen, there is a silent epidemic of inactive policies. This is why I'm bringing it to your attention right now. Jackie's story is alarmingly common. Insurance lapses affect thousands of families annually, often discovered only when it's too late. Industry experts estimate that between, now listen to this, 10 and 20%. Industry experts estimate that between 10 and 20% of life insurance claims face initial complications, frequently due to policy status issues. One of the things that I like to do with people that I work with is make a little calendar and take a lot of notes. Because as your insurance professional, I want to make sure, just like a financial professional, I am documenting important dates and time, and I am also running progress reports. You're paying me, and I think as a customer service, to make sure you don't have to deal with bad days, because it's my job to make sure when you have a bad day is less bad. But you'll have people sign up for insurance. The agent disappears, take the commission and runs off. The other person thinks, we're good. We got the insurance. We're straight. And you don't even think about it again. Guys, this is the United States of America. This country moves by paperwork, legal paperwork, documentation. You must stay on top of 3 things in America: your health care, your documents, and your numbers. Okay? Very important. This is a sad case, but it's common. They're saying that 10 to 20% of people with life insurance policies face these complications due to policy status issues. Most people assume their coverage remains active as long as they've made payments at some point. Insurance specialists at Financial Protective Services, the reality is that policies can become inactive for various reasons beyond mispayments, including administrative errors and changes in policy terms. This is where your insurance professional is supposed to be on top of this for you. You're supposed to be on top of this for you. You understand? Life is not a set it and forget it thing. This is why we work with professionals. We're supposed to remember these things or help you remember these things, make the walk with you, right? So someone failed this young lady. Now, there are several common scenarios that lead to unexpected policy terminations. I'm going to go over four. Yeah. Then we're going to end this thing. Okay. 1, mispayments due to expired credit cards or banking changes. Okay. Mispayments due to expired credit cards or banking changes. A lot of us are on automatic bill pay. If you're anything like me, I get a boatload of notifications every single day. Texts and notifications. I have to quickly read through these things to lock in what's real, what's not, what's good, what's not, what I need to get on right now, what can wait. I am constantly processing and categorizing different messages and different notes that come through my phone. Okay? Now, we may or may not get all notifications. If you check your junk file on your phone, you may find there's some notification or message that was sent to you that could have been somewhat important, but you never got it because it went straight to junk. Spam, whatever you want to call it. Mine is junk. Okay, so we have to stay on top of our banking. It's like know your numbers. You got to know the money's going out. Did the money go out? I know the money. Rent money needs to go out. Mortgage money needs to go out. I know I have it on automatic bill pay, but you know what? Let me take 5 minutes just to make sure it went through. We got to do the work, guys. Life is not like, passive, sit back and watch it. We got to live it. So here's number 2. Address updates not communicated to insurers. Did you change your address? Did you move? What is going on with your living status? When people cannot communicate with you, because insurance companies are not sending you text messages like they're your buddy. They're not going to send you a TikTok. They're not going to gram you or Instagram you. They will send you official letters to the old school post office mailbox at your house. But you moved, so you're not getting the letters. Guess what? Policy gone. We sent you a letter. Yeah, but I moved. I didn't. You never told us. All right. So that's a small thing that we can be on top of. So that's not a big thing, right? So let them know your living status and if it changes. Number 3, policy term expirations without renewal notifications. Term policies, for example, can renew or convert. Guess what? You have to do it in a certain amount of time allotted for that. If it expires, done. Nothing there. This is why you need insurance professional, a broker that can sit back and manage your portfolio for you. These are important dates in your life, not just your birthday. Your insurance policy is an important date. You need to make sure this thing stays alive. And when it's time to renew, you renew in the proper amount of time or convert or whatever you're doing, because if not, done. Now you have no policy, but you need the policy money now because you're in trouble. So these are things we can catch. And administrative errors that aren't caught by either party. So that means you made an error or the insurance company made an error, but it wasn't caught. It's all of our responsibility. We're a team. We in this together. So guys, please take a couple minutes out, check your insurance policies, check your numbers, check your address, phone number, make sure all your contacts up to date, make sure all your banking information squared away. Get with your insurance provider, work as a team. If you need one, reach out to me, DarylWilleyInsurance.com. Leave notes in the descriptions below, whatever you need to do. I appreciate you guys. Stay safe. Stay on top of your business. See you in the next one.